As you listen, in last video chapter to preaching of Karma Yoga verses 39 to 53. Now listen chapter to characteristics of one whose consciousness is thus merged in transcendence shloka 54 to 72. Please like, share and subscribe for more. Arjuna said, Sthitapragyasya ka bhasha samadhisthasya keshav. स्थितधीयः की प्रभाषेत किमासीत व्रजेत कीम. What are the symptoms of one whose consciousness is thus merged in transcendence? How does he speak, and what is his language? How does he sit, and how does he walk? Bhagavan said, Prajhati yada kaman sarvan parth manoktan. Atmayevatmana tushtah sthitapragyastadochyate. O Parth, when a man gives up all varieties of sense desire which arise from mental concoction, and when his mind finds satisfaction in the self alone, then he is said to be in pure transcendental consciousness. Duhakheshvanudvignam naha sukheshu viktaspriha. Vitrag bhaykrodha sthitdhir muniruchyate. One who is not disturbed in spite of the threefold miseries, who is not elated when there is happiness, and who is free from attachment, fear, and anger, is called a sage of steady mind. Yah sarvatranbhisnehastat prapya shubhashubham. Nabhinandati na dveshti tasya pragya pratisthita. He who is without attachment, who does not rejoice when he obtains good, nor lament when he obtains evil, is firmly fixed in perfect knowledge. Yada sanharte chayam kurmunganiv sarvashah. Indriyanindriyarthebhyastasya pragya pratisthita. One who is able to withdraw his senses from sense objects, as the tortoise draws his limbs within the shell, is to be understood as truly situated in knowledge. Vishya vinivartante niraharasya dehina. Rasvarja rasopyasya paran drishtva nivartate. The embodied soul may be restricted from sense enjoyment, though experiencing the taste for sense objects remains. But, seizing such engagements by a higher taste, he is fixed in consciousness. Yatto hyapi kaunte purushasya vipaschitah. Indriyani pramathini haranti prasbha manah. The senses are so strong and impetuous, O Arjuna, that they forcibly carry away the mind even of a man of discrimination who is endeavoring to control them. तानि सर्वाणि संयमय युक्त आसीत मत्परः. वशे हि यस्येन्द्रियाणि तस्य प्रज्ञा प्रतिष्ठिता. One who restrains his senses and fixes his consciousness upon me is known as a man of steady intelligence. ध्यायतो विषयान् पुंसः संगस्तेषुपजायते. संगात् संजायते कामः कामात् क्रोधोऽभिजायते. क्रोधात् भवति सम्मोहः सम्मोहात् स्मृति विभ्रमः. स्मृतिभ्रंशात् बुद्धिनाशो बुद्धिनाशात् प्रणश्यति. While contemplating the objects of the senses, a person develops attachment for them, and from such attachment, lust develops, and from lust, anger arises. From anger, delusion arises, and from delusion bewilderment of memory. When memory is bewildered, intelligence is lost, and when intelligence is lost, one falls down again into the material pool. Bhagavan said, Ragadveshviyuktastu vishyanindriyashcharan. Atmavashar vidheyatma prasad madhigachati. Prasade sarvaduakhana hanirasyupjayate. Prasannachetso hyashu buddhyah paryavtishthate. One who can control his senses by practicing the regulated principles of freedom can obtain the complete mercy of the Lord and thus become free from all attachment and aversion. For one who is so situated in the divine consciousness, the threefold miseries of material existence exist no longer. In such a happy state, one's intelligence soon becomes steady. नास्ति बुद्धिर्युक्तस्य न चायुक्तस्य भावना न चाभाव्यतः शांतिर्शांतस्य कुतः सुखम. One who is not in transcendental consciousness can have neither a controlled mind nor steady intelligence, without which there is no possibility of peace. And how can there be any happiness without peace? इंद्रियाणा हि चर्ता यन्मनोनुविधीयते तदस्य हर्ति प्रज्ञा वायुर्नावमिवाम्भसि. As a boat on the water is swept away by a strong wind, even one of the senses on which the mind focuses can carry away a man's intelligence. तस्माद्यस्य महाबाहो निगृहीतानि सर्वशः इंद्रियाणीन्द्रियार्थेभ्यस्तस्य प्रज्ञा प्रतिष्ठिता. Therefore, O mighty armed, one whose senses are restrained from their objects is certainly of steady intelligence. या निशा सर्वभूताना तस्या जागर्ति संयमी यस्या जागृति भूतानि सा निशा पश्यतो मुनेः. What is night for all beings is the time of awakening for the self. Controlled, and the time of awakening for all beings is night for the introspective sage. आपूर्यमाणं चल प्रतिष्ठन् समुद्रमापः प्रविशन्ति यद्वत् तद्वत् कामा यं प्रविशन्ति सर्वे स शान्तिमाप्नोति न कामकामी. A person who is not disturbed by the incessant flow of desires that enter like rivers into the ocean which is ever being filled but is always still can alone achieve peace, and not the man who strives to satisfy such desires. Vihay kamanyah sarvan pumascharti nihaspriha nirmamo nirhankarah sa shantim dhigachati. A person who has given up all desires for sense gratification, who lives free from desires, who has given up all sense of proprietorship and is devoid of false ego, he alone can attain real peace. एषा ब्राह्मी स्थितियः पार्थ नैना प्राप्य विमुह्यति स्थित्वास्यामन्तकालेऽपि ब्रह्मनिर्वाणमृच्छति. That is the way of the spiritual and godly life, after attaining which a man is not bewildered. Being so situated, even at the hour of death, one can enter into the kingdom of God.